So this project has been 3 years in the making. I've actually been thinking about it and designing it, trying to figure out what would look best and the materials. This is the rock that's in the front. Oops, I'll show you there's the street. And so I finally just bought the cheapest copper tubing I could on Amazon. And I covered the end of it with painter's tape, frog tape, put it in a bucket, filled it with cement, let it harden, pulled it out, opened up the tape, threaded drip irrigation through the pipe to the end, and now I have a drip on my rock, which I am hoping will be a butterfly puddler. I'm actually getting some little puddles. My hope is that it will come here and fill that up so it's more for the butterflies. That's I'm going to let this run for a couple days, drip drip, and see what I get on the rock. I love it. We've already thought of a few designs that would be better, but we really like this. Or yeah, I like it. I have enough of everything. Well, I guess I need more cement to make one for my other rock, and one for my pond or the bird bath up front, which may have a leak because it's always empty. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? I love it. It was worth waiting for.